Let me open a newly downloaded bulk calculate.xlsb file to show you how to bulk import data from files created using the same template. The summary and mapper sheets will be empty since the newly downloaded file will not contain any information. I'm using a pre-mapped Excel file as template. Once the template is selected, it will open the template spreadsheet to check if it contains a backup of an earlier mapping. If a backup exists, Bulk Calculate will ask if it can import the mapping directly. On clicking OK, the previous mapping will be imported from the template spreadsheet. After importing the mapping data, we must click on Generate Summary Table. This will create a summary table corresponding to the mapped data. Let's browse for the input folder from where to import data. I will be using the printer folder where I exported 16 files during an earlier video. Link in description below. Click on the Input/Output folder label button to open the chosen folder in File Explorer. We can see all the 16 files generated earlier using the bulk export feature in the printer folder. On clicking the Import Data button, Bulk Calculate will open every valid Excel file within the chosen folder and extract the data into the summary table based on the data mapping. It is essential that all files have a similar structure to ensure an accurate data import. In addition to data extraction, Bulk Calculate generates a one-click hyperlink in the file name column, allowing you to easily open the source file. See how the files are imported in ascending order based on their file names. Let's perform a custom sort to get the data sorted by distributed load intensity followed by the length of the beam. Clearly, we can see that all the data have been imported accurately. You can click on the one-click link in the file name column to open the corresponding source Excel file and verify the accuracy of the data import. For simplicity, I've used a basic template with a few inputs from a single sheet. However, this utility works just as effectively with templates that have multiple worksheets and number of mapped data. Have you ever wondered how to import data from multiple Excel files with just one click and keep everything perfectly organized? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use bulk import, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your ideas and feedback.